Welcome to People's University of Medical and Health Sciences for Women, PUMS, in Nawab Shah, Shahid Benazirabad. Established by the Government of Sindh in 2010. Previously known as People's Medical College, PMC, exclusively for girls since 1974. Thanks to the vision of Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Over 6,000 female doctors, pharmacists, nurses and physiotherapists have graduated from this esteemed institute.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficial, I feel highly happy and obliged to brief about my university called the People's University of Medical and Health Sciences for Women, Shahid Benazirabad. It was the vision of Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto to improve and empower the women because women actually progress the nation. It was erstwhile People's Medical College here. Thereafter, with the vision of Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, His Excellency the President of Pakistan, allowed and granted this college to be the university, and this university became independent in 2010. This university have a very robust system in the finance, in the intake of the students, in intake of the faculty, and there is a very structured program in training for the faculty members, for the students. Our curriculums are at international level. And I hope that the way my students are coming forward, and so far so the involvement of alumni of this university is concerned, we are linked with every corner of the world on a globe. I hope that the day come, this university will shine and will rise at the shining star in the Pakistan.
PUMS envisions becoming one of the country's leading academic medical institutions, dedicated to impacting knowledge, promoting research, and providing service to patients and the public worldwide. Our mission is to expand human knowledge, train medical professionals, excel as an institution, and offer advanced medical services in Sindh and beyond. Adjacent to PUMS' historic campus stands a healthcare beacon, the hospital integral to our journey. With tradition, expertise, and state-of-the-art facilities, it serves the community with compassion, doubles as a vital training ground, and shapes the next generation of healthcare professionals.
I am Professor Dr. Ali Akbar Syar, Chairman Department of Pediatrics and Dean Faculty of Medicine and Allied. Being a Dean, PUMS, we are committed to pushing the boundaries of medical knowledge and producing competent healthcare professionals who meet international standards. In addition to that, we are focusing on Institute of Maternal and Child Health with our expanded course of offering and cutting-edge facilities. We are poised to make a revolutionary impact in the field of healthcare.
PUMS expands its offerings with a new campus, catering to the rising demand for healthcare professionals. From medicine to physiotherapy, our innovative programs meet the evolving needs of healthcare in Pakistan and beyond.
As our slogan says that to educate the women is to educate the nation. So being a medical student, our goal is to achieve the compassionate and with a high quality medical care.
I am thrilled to be a part of Pump's journey towards the excellence and innovations. With the opportunities and resources available at our university, I am confident to say that we will emerge in the field of medical and health sciences.
But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Our new campus is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and resources. Empowering our students to excel in their chosen fields and become leaders in the global healthcare community. Beyond academics, PUMS pioneers a mother and child hospital, offering specialized care for women and children. Situated separately, it houses expert staff aiming to revolutionize maternal and child health outcomes. Located in a separate zone is our 300-bed mother and child hospital, a beacon of hope and healing for mothers and children in the region. Staffed by skilled healthcare professionals, this hospital is dedicated to providing compassionate care and improving maternal and child health outcomes.